Water, the essence of life. It covers over 70% of our planet, and without it, ecosystems would collapse, agriculture would fail, and we would struggle to survive. Every day, we rely on this precious resource for drinking, cooking, and sanitation. Yet, despite its vital importance, water is under siege. Take a moment to consider the rivers, lakes, and oceans that weave through our landscapes. They are not just beautiful, they are lifelines for countless species and communities. But look closer and you'll see a troubling reality. Water pollution is one of the most pressing environmental issues we face today. It's a silent crisis that threatens our health and the health of our planet. Pollution comes from various sources. Industrial waste, agricultural runoff, and plastic debris are just a few culprits. When chemicals seep into our waterways, they disrupt entire ecosystems. Fish and wildlife suffer, and the delicate balance of nature is thrown into chaos. It's not just the environment that pays the price. We do too. Contaminated water can lead to serious health issues, from gastrointestinal diseases to long-term chronic conditions. Consider the stark contrast between clear, pristine waters and those tainted by pollution. The vibrant life that thrives in clean water is replaced by murky depths where few can survive. This isn't just a distant problem, it's happening in our backyards. Many communities are grappling with unsafe drinking water, and the implications are dire. Access to clean water is a fundamental human right, yet millions are denied this basic necessity. So, what can we do? Awareness is the first step. Educating ourselves and others about the sources and effects of water pollution is crucial. We can reduce our plastic use, support sustainable farming practices, and advocate for stronger regulations on industrial waste. Every small action counts. Together, we can protect our water sources and ensure that future generations inherit a planet where clean water is abundant. Water is life, and it's our responsibility to safeguard it. Let's commit to being stewards of this vital resource, because without it, nothing else matters. Factories are dumping toxic waste into our rivers, turning once clear waters into hazardous sludge. Meanwhile, raw sewage is flowing freely, contaminating ecosystems and threatening public health. Look out to the oceans, and you'll see plastic debris swirling like a toxic soup, suffocating marine life. Sea turtles mistake plastic bags for jellyfish, while fish get tangled in discarded nets. Each piece of waste tells a story of negligence, and every drop of polluted water is a call to action. We must confront this crisis before our oceans become graveyards for wildlife and our rivers run dry. Every day, factories churn out products, but they also release pollutants that seep into our rivers and oceans. Farms, while essential for food, often use chemicals that wash away with rain, ending up in our water systems. Urban streets, with their drains, become conduits for trash and oil slicks, transforming our waterways into toxic soup. When it rains, all that debris flows straight into storm drains, carrying our waste into the sea. It's a cycle that harms wildlife and disrupts ecosystems. We need to rethink our habits and take action to protect our planet. Every year, our oceans face a silent crisis. Dying fish float aimlessly, victims of toxic algal blooms that choke the life from our waters. These blooms create dead zones where nothing can survive. Coral reefs, the vibrant cities of the sea, are bleaching at alarming rates, losing their color and vitality. Wetlands, crucial for biodiversity, are shrinking, leaving countless species without homes. Infographics reveal a staggering decline in marine life. Overfishing, pollution, and climate change are pushing our ecosystems to the brink. If we don't act now, we risk losing not just these species, but the health of our planet. Every day, millions of children drink from contaminated sources, unaware of the dangers lurking in that murky water. Diseases like cholera, typhoid, and dysentery thrive in these conditions, claiming lives and leaving families shattered. In developing regions, the lack of clean drinking water is a silent killer, contributing to staggering child mortality rates. But it's not just a problem overseas. Even in places like Flint, Michigan, lead and chemicals seep into our drinking systems, putting everyone at risk. We must confront this crisis head-on, because access to clean water is not just a privilege, it's a right. Pollution is a global crisis, and our rivers are bearing the brunt. Look at these hotspots on the map, each one a stark reminder of human impact. From the Ganges in India, choked with waste, to the Yangtze in China, where plastic suffocates marine life, these waterways tell a tragic story. Underwater, the scene is even more alarming. Imagine vibrant coastlines now buried under a blanket of plastic debris, suffocating ecosystems that once thrived. Every piece of trash is a call to action. We must change our habits, advocate for cleaner practices, and protect these vital lifelines before it's too late. Water treatment facilities are vital in our fight against pollution, transforming contaminated water into a clean resource. Volunteers are stepping up, cleaning our rivers and beaches, proving that every effort counts. Government initiatives are pushing for stricter pollution laws and better waste management, while innovative projects like the Ocean Cleanup showcase technology's potential. Solutions are emerging. Eco-friendly farming practices, trash barriers in rivers, and ocean skimmers are making a real difference. Together, we can restore our waterways and protect our planet for future generations. There is hope. Every day, millions of people choose reusable water bottles, making a simple yet powerful statement. It's not just about staying hydrated, it's about protecting our planet. Schools are stepping up, launching awareness campaigns that educate students on the importance of clean water and reducing plastic waste. Imagine peaceful scenes of clean rivers flowing through vibrant communities where families gather and children play without worry. This is the world we can create together. Clean water is a right, not a privilege. Let's stand up for it, for ourselves and for future generations.